wearing napkins in public is like standing in a Hogwarts common room and saying Voldemort.
There are some taboos which can never be wiped out from India.
ये गाँव की औरतें सब कपड़ा यूज करती थी, तो उसी कपड़े को वो वापस लेती थी, वही कपड़ा धूप नहीं रहती थी तो छाया में डर के मारे छिपा के सुखाती थी उसको।
पहले पैड कौन जानता था? कोई नहीं जानता। कोई बड़े बूढ़े को भी अभी कह दो कि क्या है, ये तो कुछ नहीं है, ये वो है।
You know the penetration level in India, sanitary pad using only 7% commonly, and in rural areas only 2%. It is shameful for me to make sanitary pad for my wife and for my sisters. An American is needed. That finally, the India needed a school dropout to make a sanitary pad for Indian women. So I used to collect all the used paper from the medical college girls. I spread it in a table in the backyard of my home. It's a bad water, you know. Still I'm having that smell in my nose. The whole village thought I'm having a sexual disease. They don't know what I'm doing. They thought I'm washing my path. I saw some of my friends coming opposite to me while I'm walking. They will change the route. Because I'm uneducated, I'm going. If you're educated, what will happen? You stop. Now any rural woman can produce a world-class napkin out of my machine. That's why I'm calling what I'm doing is a low-cost sanitary pad movement.